This is the way to define clip inspections. Basically what this is going to do is write inspections to an INI. I've already got an INI created. I'm going to run the program. Let's see. INI files, clip inspection, bottom left. I'm going to go ahead and open that one. Show the base image. So base image for this currently is this tan part. If I wanted to select a different one, I could go in here, let's see, bottom left INI. So we don't want to be in the top left, we want to be in bottom left. Let's grab the black door. Okay. So the inspections that are already in here, let's take a look at clip inspection for, this is bottom left clip and then the robot, the inspection ID, robot 2, clip number 1, load that inspection. And basically what it does is it shows where in this image the clip is going to need to be. That's what the ROI is. So it loads the name if you want to add one or delete it. It's all based on the inspection name, the inspection ID. We can change the ROI if the part happens to be moving out of this area, but it's it's going to be kept in place by the framework, so that's not an issue. Let's see. Let's take a look at the ROI image. I'm not sure that I set this yet, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. Oh, okay, well, there it goes. So I forgot that when I load the inspection, it sets the ROI. Let's see what the fiducial is. Now the fiducial is going to basically be this edge, but what is that? So the fiducial, this is a pattern match. The information that you see in here is what is actually being matched. We're going to talk about the template editor in a little bit, but basically the pattern is an edge enhanced version of the original color image. And I'm going to test the inspection, and basically what this shows is that the fiducial mark, which was from this point back to the inspection to the center of the clip, had a distance of 99.1 pixels. So that's the distance. Let me change the image. Let's do gray. Okay, I may have to reload it. Let me double check. Show ROI. Yeah, that's probably, if I test it, it's going to test it on this ROI. Let me reload that inspection and now show the ROI. There we go. Test the inspection. Basically looks the same. Distance is slightly different, 104. Let's go to, I don't know, what's clip number 2? Clip number 2 is this guy. Alright, let's look at that image, and let's look at that fiducial. Fiducial is a little different on this one, and we'll get into what's masked and what's important, but in this case we're going from this corner point, which is right here, into the center. That's the travel of the clip. And let's see here, test, there we go, 100.2 pixels. That's basically how the clip inspection INI file is created. The clip inspections are going to be based on each camera. There's going to be an ROI. There's going to be a pattern match, which is the fiducial. The clips are found by the color of the clip. So basically green clips. You know what? Let's show the ROI, which we are, and create a fiducial, because what this will do is open the template editor. And instead of actually creating one from scratch, which is what it thinks I want to do, I'm going to open that template C2. Bottom left, templates, and we're on C2. C2's fiducial, open. Okay, there we go. So the image that comes in is, as you saw, the black and white image, or I'm sorry, the color image converted to mono, and then the edges are enhanced, and then you crop it, and then you set the mask. So anything that's red in the mask is not going to be part of the search. So it's important that the clip, which is the thing in question, which right here in the middle, is not part of the search for the fiducial. And when we get into this, to the screws, that'll become a little more obvious. I think maybe it looks the same. I don't know. Anyway, this is basically the pattern it's looking for in any of the door colors. So this model works on the black, the ivory, and the gray. Those are the samples that we have. What this template editor does is actually allows you to, if there was something up here that was messed up, whatever, you could take that out of the template. Alright, let me cancel this. I'm going to do create a fiducial again. Let's make sure we're still in the same image. Yep, okay, create a fiducial. And, okay, I got a lot of error handling still to do in the program. That's one of the errors. Okay, so let's take a look at what the edge enhancement looks like. There's the edges. What do we really want for the fiducial? Okay, I can't crop it unless I draw in a rectangle. We really want this stuff. And I'm also going to include the bottom of the door. I'm going to crop that. Alright, and then I'm going to say auto mask, so it gives me a guess as to what it thinks the best edges are. That's probably too much. And that's probably not enough. So I'll go 3. And that's pretty good. So again, the red is areas. The red is basically areas that won't be searched for. So we still got a lot of the clip here, and I'm going to mask the clip out so that we don't search for the clip while we're looking for the fiducial. Add that. There we go. Now it's not part of it. And then offset. Where do we actually want the fiducial? We don't want it in the very center. Use the point tool. Select the point where it should be. Throw the offset to that location. We don't want to search 25 degrees, plus or minus 25 degrees. Plus or minus 5 degrees is more than enough. The part doesn't move more than 1 degree. And at this point, if I save as, I will get a new template for the pattern match. I've already created it. I'm not going to overwrite it. I know the one that I have works, so I don't want to create a problem. So I'm going to cancel this. And so we're back, and okay. I'll try a different one. How about 4? Okay, and 3. Alright, different base image. I think we have not looked at ivory. There we go. And that inspection for this base image. Test. And let's take a look at 1. Load the inspection. Just over here in the corner. Test. 109 pixels. Okay, so that is the way that the clip inspections are defined.